Have you ever looked closely at an American dollar bill and really wondered what you were holding? Not the denomination, not the face on the front, but the actual object itself. The way it feels slightly different from any other paper you have ever touched. That subtle roughness when you run your thumb across the portrait. The way certain elements shift and change when you tilt the note toward a light. The tiny thread running through the paper when you hold it up to a window. Most people handle American currency every single day without ever stopping to think about what an extraordinary manufactured object it actually is. Today, we are going to change that. Every American dollar bill begins its life in Dalton, Massachusetts. Population under 7,000. Home to Crane Currency, the company that has been the sole exclusive manufacturer of United.
Good. I'll stir this side.
United States currency paper since 1879. No other company in America is legally authorized to make it. The raw materials that arrive at Crane's facility are cotton and linen fibers, blended in a precise ratio refined over more than a century of currency paper production. Cotton provides extraordinary tensile strength and flexibility. Linen provides the stiffness and that distinctive crisp snap sound every American recognizes as genuine currency. Together they produce a substrate that survives more folding cycles than any wood pulp paper could, handles humidity without disintegrating, and endures years of intensive daily handling across millions of hands. Inside that cotton linen paper, before any printing has taken place whatsoever, security features already exist that cannot be removed and cannot be replicated afterward. Red and blue synthetic fibers are distributed randomly throughout the paper furnish, visible as tiny coloured threads embedded within every genuine dollar bill when examined closely. A security thread is embedded within the paper structure at a precise position, carrying microprinted denomination text and glowing a specific colour under ultraviolet light on higher denomination notes.
These labels check out. Good. Let's keep moving. I'll radio for the forklift.
A portrait watermark is formed as the cotton linen fibres settle on the forming wire of the paper machine. A precision cylinder displacing fibres to create varying thickness zones that appear as a tonal image when the finished note is held to any light source. These features are not printed. They are the paper itself, physically arranged to reveal security information. On redesigned higher denomination notes, Crane has also woven in the motion security ribbon a strip of micro lens film incorporated directly into the paper structure rather than applied to its surface. That creates extraordinary three-dimensional moving images when the note is tilted in different directions. This certified Crane currency paper then travels under secure transfer to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, which operates 2 production facilities. The original facility in Washington, D.C. has been producing American currency since 1862. The Western Currency Facility in Fort Worth, Texas was added in 1990 and today produces more than half of all American currency printed each year. Notes from Fort Worth carry a small identifying mark distinguishing them from Washington-produced notes. Together, these 2 facilities print the equivalent of approximately $500 million in currency every single working day, producing every denomination from the $1 bill to the $100 bill. Billions of individual notes every year. The printing process at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing is more complex than most people imagine. Every American dollar bill goes through multiple distinct printing passes. The back of the note is printed first using intaglio printing, in which deeply engraved steel plates are inked, completely wiped clean, and then the paper is pressed against the plate under enormous hydraulic pressure. The paper fibers press into the ink filled engraved grooves, pulling the ink out and depositing it on the paper surface as raised ridges standing physically above the surrounding paper. After this first intaglio pass, the sheets are placed in the BEP vault for a mandatory multi-day drying period.
Keep the tension steady on the left belt.
The face of the note is then printed
Right, sensors
in a
are clear here.
intaglio
Output is
pass.
optimal, no issues.
Another drying period follows. This is why American currency has that distinctive tactile feel separating it from ordinary printed paper. Every denomination, every series, every dollar bill has been through this intaglio process. After the intaglio stages are
Feed
fully
rate looks
dried and
good.
cured, the sheets
Output is
receive their
stable. Keep it
overprinting.
running.
Federal Reserve District seals and their corresponding letters are applied by letterpress, identifying which of the 12 Federal Reserve banks is responsible for issuing each specific note. The Treasury Department seal is applied. Serial numbers are then applied in green ink, each serial number completely unique across the entire production run of that denomination and series, appearing twice on the face of every note, both occurrences identical, confirming the note's individual identity. Every completed sheet then passes through the BEP's automated optical inspection system, analysing every note position for printing defects and specification deviations
Here,
in fractions
defects in
of a
packaging
second.
spiked last quarter.
Defective
I
notes
see, and
are
returns from
marked
this vendor?
and
They're up.
automatically
Need to review the
rejected.
contract.
Approved sheets are cut to the final note dimensions, sorted, counted into bundles of 100, assembled into bricks of 1,000, and transferred to the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve banks hold completed currency in their high security vaults, pending scheduled distribution to commercial banks throughout their 12 districts across the country. The notes flow outward through branch tellers, cash offices, and ATMs into everyday American life. The Federal Reserve simultaneously and continuously removes
This
worn and
bundle
damaged
is
notes from
short by 100.
circulation.
Let me check the log.
Thanks.
Through its cash processing operations, shredding them securely and replacing them with fresh notes ordered from the BEP, constantly maintaining the quality of currency in everyday commerce. The next time you reach into your wallet and take out a dollar bill, take a moment before you spend it. Hold it up to any light source and find the watermark in the paper. Tilt it slowly and watch the colour shifting elements dynamically transform. Run your fingertips slowly across the portrait and feel the raised intaglio texture pressing against your skin. What you are holding is truly the product of a Massachusetts paper mill with over 140 years of specialised expertise, 2 federal printing facilities running some of the most powerful and specialised printing presses in the world, and a nationwide distribution system putting hundreds of millions of dollars into circulation every single working day. Every denomination, every series, every single dollar, made this way.